These images and videos were made with Vivago.ai, an all-in-one platform for text, video or image generation with ton of options. Let's hop in. So first go on Vivago.ai. After signing up you come to this page where you have an overview about the tool. You have the main features: image generator, image to video and text to video. You can also use templates for viral videos, and on the bottom here you have a discover page from the community, what they produced. First we look at the image generator. We can enter a prompt here manually or let our AI bot create a prompt. We want a man drinking a coffee in a cafe. We hit enter. Now it's analyzing our prompt here and he will generate a better prompt for it. As you can see, he described the scene very well. We use this prompt. We could also upload an image for reference, but we take it as it is. We want the professional mode in the newest version 2.0. We want 4 images and we want 60:9 ratio. Let's generate. And as you can see, the images are great. High quality, no deformation, exactly that what we wanted. We have here different options to choose from. We can delete the image, download the image, publish it, share it, or we can use this image for a video, for a lip sync, to enhance it, expand it, and there are so many other options to choose from. We want to create a video from it. So he took the image, he took the prompt. If we scroll down a bit, we choose the model, the professional one again. We want a 5-second duration. We want also add sound effects to the video and we hit generate. Well, he nailed it. The video is astonishing. He added a little jazz music, lounge music, high quality, one of the best I've ever seen. Awesome. And now we try the lip sync feature. We click here on lip sync. We can upload an image or select an image we already created. Let's use our image here. We can now input a prompt or upload an audio. So I added a little script here that coffee smells so good. I can't even wait to taste it. We can choose a voice here. So let's take the Jason here and we hit generate.
That coffee smells so good. I can't even wait to taste it.
Yes, the voice is clean, the mouth movement was good. Perfect. Next we try the text to video feature. We enter the prompt here from a man walking with his dog in a forest. We take the professional mode again, 5 seconds duration, and we hit generate. Clean, high quality, awesome. You can also use templates on Vivago. There are a ton of templates to choose from. I will show you some for demonstration. Let's go. To the pricing of Vivago, you have different options to choose from. On the free plan you get free daily credits, but only 1 task in queue, 2 images per generation and 5-second video generation. On the basic you have 1000 credits monthly. You can generate up to 2 tasks in a queue, 10-second video generation and watermarked free downloads. You have also access to all AI tools on Vivago. On the Plus and Pro you have even more credits, more tasks in queue, and like on the basic you can generate up to 4 images per generation. As usual, if you liked it, try it. See you in the next one.